What does it mean when my HVAC system is undersized? It means the heating or cooling equipment is too small to keep your home comfortable during the hottest or coldest weather. An undersized system does not have enough capacity for your home's size, insulation, windows, and local weather. During summer, it may run almost non-stop but still leave rooms warm and humid. During winter, it may struggle to reach the thermostat setting and make some rooms feel chilly. Many people think long running times always mean a broken system, but longer cycles can actually improve comfort when the equipment is correctly sized. The real warning sign is when the system runs continuously and cannot reach the selected temperature. An undersized air conditioner may also remove less moisture because it never cools the indoor coil enough for proper dehumidification. You may notice sticky air, rising energy bills, uneven temperatures, or frequent repairs from constant operation. A useful step is to record the indoor temperature, outdoor temperature, and system runtime on very hot or cold days, then have a qualified contractor perform a room-by-room load calculation before recommending replacement. One common mistake is buying a larger system to solve the problem without checking the home's actual heating and cooling needs, because an oversized unit can cycle too quickly and control humidity poorly, so request a written load calculation. Another mistake is blaming the equipment when blocked filters, closed vents, duct leaks, poor insulation, or an incorrect thermostat are reducing performance. So inspect these items before replacing anything. Also, do not judge sizing by the equipment's age or by comparing it with a neighbor's system, because two homes with the same floor area can need very different capacities. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.